Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present the social media plan for Dixie Mitsubishi. Dixie Mitsubishi is an automotive dealership which is part of Dilawri Group, which is the largest automotive group in Canada. It is also considered one of the largest Mitsubishi dealers in Canada. It is located in Mississauga, close to the borders of Toronto and Brampton. Dixie Mitsubishi usually carries a very large inventory of vehicles in stock. Here are some of the social media issues that Dixie Mitsubishi has. It does have a presence on Facebook and Instagram, but the level of client engagement is very low. For example, if you analyze their posts, there are hardly any comments, shares, or even likes. Their posts are inconsistent. There's no cohesive social media strategy, and there's no one to manage their social media channels. The sales managers is normally responsible for posting on Facebook and Instagram. Um, when customer sends any queries, they reach out to the dealerships through various social media channels. They are not responded in timely manner. Here's some of their competitors. Their two main competitors are Brampton Mitsubishi and Aaron Mills Mitsubishi. They are a bit better when it comes to social media. They respond to their customers pretty quickly. They also have consistent posting as opposed to Dixie Mitsubishi. Now, here are some of the social media goals for this dealership. One of them is to increase brand awareness, improve customer engagement, sending more traffic to the website, creating a community of followers, and active reputation management. Here are five social media smart objectives for Dixie Mitsubishi. The first one is to gain 500 followers on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter in 3 months, get 100 five-star reviews on Google, DealRater, and Yelp in 3 months, get 100 likes, shares, and comments in 3 months, increase traffic coming through social media channels to the website by 10% in 3 months, increase leads coming from social media channels by 5% in 3 months. Here's the social media strategy. It has different phases. It starts with understanding the audience, which also involves the sales team and analyzing previous posts and see how people interacted with this dealership. We will also identify some of important KPIs such as reach, likes, shares, comments, hashtag performance, and leads. Uh, then a right plan will be developed, which social media channels, frequency of post, type of content, and of course, who will be responsible for managing the social media channels, and then implementing the plan, which would include hiring a social media specialist, preparing the content, registering with some of the or one platform such as Hootsuite or Spout Social to manage all channels through one platform. And then there will be weekly as well as in-depth monthly reporting and then continuous optimization. Here are some of the tactics. The we will be expanding social media presence by creating a Twitter account, um, increase the number of posts on Facebook and Instagram. So right now they are not posting on daily basis. Also we will start posting on Google My Business, which will help in SEO as well. There will be a monthly content calendar. Um, it will include a variety of posts. We will also create content from other reputed sites such as CarGurus and Admins. There will be special online events and as well as contest campaigns. Facebook's boosting feature will also be used to increase the reach. Here are some of the examples of social media buckets that we will be using. For example, we will be posting um, on topics such as dealership branding, Mitsubishi branding, new inventory, used inventory, fixed ops, customer engagement, and of course, due to the ongoing pandemic, the COVID-19 messaging and the financing. And under each topic, we have subtopics. For example, dealership branding would include posts such as we are open now, working hours, etc. Here are some of the examples of content and creatives. Um, so for example, this one here, the plug-in hybrid electric now in SUV size, all backed by best warranty in the business, and then the image of that vehicle. So we will be using different types of posts. We will also be using different hashtags. Some of the important KPIs and analytics will be reach, likes, shares and retweets, comments, hashtag performance, and leads. The budget for this plan will be $50 to $55,000 for the social media specialist. For Hootsuite to spell social would be $100 to $150 per month. Facebook boosting will be $50 per month. For photography and video equipment, there will be one-time charge of $4,000. For Adobe Photoshop, there will be $25 per month. So thank you so much